know that there are different forces in work? It's a yes or a no? Then let's find out. Here are work done by different forces. Gravity can do positive or negative work. For example, lifting a box. So, when you lift a box, gravity is pulling it downwards, but you're doing work against gravity to lift it up. Next is dropping a ball. When you drop a ball, gravity is doing work on the object, pulling it downwards towards the ground. So that's our the example for gravity, because gravity pulls objects towards each other. Friction always does negative work opposing motion. Example is sliding a box across the floor. So, when you slide a box across the floor, friction is doing work on the box, slowing it down and converting its kinetic energy into heat. Because friction opposes motion between surfaces. Last is applied force. Does negative work if it move an object in its direction. So, example, pulling a rope. So, when you pull a rope, you're applying a force to it, transferring energy to the rope and making it move towards you. In this case, you're doing work on the rope. So, next is throwing a ball. So, when you throw a ball, you're applying a force to it, transferring energy to the ball and propelling it through the air. In this case, you're doing work on the ball. So that's our the example for applied force. Because applied force, it is an intentional push or pull that changes an object's motion or position. So each of these examples, work is being done by a specific force, gravity, friction, and applied force to transfer energy and cause a change in motion or position.